everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could do the addition task for a table or a column. To do that, let's say here we have two available options. The first one, I want just to add the number 1 or value 1 to this column, this entire column. To do that is very easy. Just click on number 1, click Ctrl C, select the column where you want to add the value, click with the right button of the mouse and select Paste Special, click Add, and click OK. So here, as you can see, it has been increased by 1. Now, let's imagine I want to add different values. So for each row, for example, in the first row, I want to add 1. In the second row, I want to add 2, 3, 4, 5. And this can be applied to a column or to a row. To do that, again, just select the entire column, values, and then click Ctrl C to copy. Select the target column, click with the right button of the mouse, Paste Special, and there you will click Add. Click OK. And as you can see, it has been increased accordingly. So here it added only 1, but here it was 17, and it added 2, and here it added 3, 4, and ongoing. You can do this to a column, or you can do it to a row, or you can even do it to an entire table. I hope this video tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email, and we'll do our best to help you. If you still would like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, then you can press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.